First of all, what is the Treasury's payment systems database?
This is a good question because there's a lot of disinformation out there about the IRS's payment systems database. Misinformation is that DOGE is going to get access to every individual citizen's tax records, and they're going to be able to comb through those tax records and figure out who's paying what and what citizen is filing what tax return and what their income is and so on. And that's just simply not the case. The payment systems is the Treasury Department's accounting systems. They're obviously digital accounting systems that track all of the payments that the U.S. Treasury makes tax refunds to people. There are several million tax refunds. That's true. Roughly 80 million, 90 million tax refunds a year that go to citizens, no doubt about that. But the Treasury system, the payment system, also tracks every other payment made by the U.S. Treasury. Josh, there's 1.3 billion individual payments that are made by the U.S. Treasury every single year to various vendors for various things, right? But they also pay every bill that the United States of America incurs is paid through the Treasury Department, and those bills are tracked through the Treasury Department's payment system. So it is a natural consequence of an internal audit to want to look at the Treasury Department's payment system. Treasury Secretary Bissett made it clear that the data that was delivered pursuant to the request was read-only data. They didn't have the authority, the auditors did not have the authority to go in and change anything or manipulate data or move it around in any way, shape, or form. And so these auditors are looking for this payment system to be able to figure out exactly where the money is going. But it's no different than and see, this is what's so astonishing about this. When the IRS does a tax audit of a business, they want to see the bank records. They want to see the transactions. Where is your money going? We want to see the income flowing into the business, and we want to see the expenses flowing out of the business. And that's what this audit is looking at, and that's why they want to look at the payment systems database.
It is a beautiful melodic irony of the fact that everybody on the left is freaking over what is essentially an IRS audit of the government, of every aspect of the government.